Most people panic when a transfer fails, but the biggest mistake you need to avoid is assuming the app is broken immediately. In many cases, the issue is actually related to account rules, limits, or verification problems that are easy to fix once you understand them. In this video, we are breaking down how to fix a failed transfer in the Varo bank in 2026, step by step, so your money moves without stress. Let's start with the most common reason. The first reason transfers fail is insufficient balance or pending holds. Even if your app shows a balance, some funds may not be fully available yet. This is where most users get confused. Now here's where it gets interesting. Varo uses internal processing rules that can temporarily restrict transfers during verification or security checks. So even if everything looks normal, the system may pause a transaction. Let's break it down clearly. Step 1 is checking your account status. Open your app and make sure there are no alerts, verification requests, or flagged activity. If something is missing, the transfer will not go through. Step 2 is checking your transfer limits. Many users like Alex try to send larger amounts than their daily or weekly limit allows. When that happens, the transaction gets blocked automatically. But here's the problem most people don't realize. Even small failed transfers can trigger temporary security holds. That means repeated attempts without fixing the issue can make the delay longer. Step 3 is verifying your linked account or debit card. If you are transferring externally, your connected bank or card must still be active and verified. If anything changed recently, the transfer can fail instantly. Now let's talk about network and timing issues. Sometimes transfers fail due to server congestion or processing delays. This is especially common during high traffic hours. Waiting and retrying after a short period often resolves it. This is where Jake's situation is a good example. Jake tries a transfer multiple times in a row when it fails. Instead of fixing the issue, he increases the delay. The better approach is to pause, check the cause, and retry only after confirming everything is correct. In a minute, I'll show you a simple checklist you can use anytime a transfer fails, so you can fix it in under 2 minutes without guessing. Now let's go into quick fixes. First, log out and log back into your app to refresh the session. Second, update the app if a new version is available. Third, restart your phone to clear background issues. These small steps solve many hidden glitches. But here's the key insight. Most transfer failures are not permanent errors. They are temporary blocks triggered by security systems designed to protect your money. Let's summarize clearly. Varo transfer failures in 2026 usually happen due to limits, verification issues, pending funds, or temporary security checks. Once you identify the cause, the fix is usually simple and fast. If this helped you fix your transfer issue, make sure to like the video, comment what error you saw, and subscribe for more simple banking fix guides.